Despite sounding like a daunting task, packing and shipping a saxophone is actually easy and safe. All you have to do is follow the simple rules. Number 1, the saxophone cannot move in its own case. Most modern cases have a pretty tight fit, but if you own a vintage horn, the original cases can be quite cavernous inside. If the horn can shift around during transit, it can actually end up damaging itself, so it's important that we make sure it can't move. In this video, we're going to be padding out an original Selmer case interior. As you can see, the horn has a ton of wiggle room. So what we're going to use is a thinner density bubble wrap to address this, but you can also use newspaper as well if that's easier. The true test is making sure that once the lid is closed that you can hug the case, shake it, and if you feel no movement, then you're in business. Obviously, avoid overpacking or putting excess pressure on the horn with any additional packing materials that you choose to add. Now it's time to find a box that's going to give you clearance of at least 6 inches on all sides of the case once it's inside. Most carriers will sell you a golf bag box, which you can cut down to fit either an alto or tenor case. Fill the bottom of the box with peanuts or bubble wrap to establish a base, and then drop in your cased up horn and start filling in around it. Your packing should be as tight as possible, and once again, when the box is sealed, you should be able to shake it and not feel the case move at all. Because of the extra legwork that finding packaging for your horn can be, we've done the hard work for you, and custom-made shipping boxes just for saxophones. Not only are they the correct size and need no adjustment, but they have super strong reinforced corners to further protect your saxophone while in transit. Should you like, reach out to us so that we can send you one of our boxes, including the interior packaging material and return label for a minimal cost. Now, when shipping, we strongly recommend opting for a signature confirmation option, and of course, please share your tracking number of your instrument with the shop while it's on your way. For more information on a repair concierge service or mailing your saxophone into the Boston Sax Shop, email repairs@bostonsaxshop.com.